Welcome back guys to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to unbox Redmi A2 Plus from Xiaomi. Alright, so welcome back to our channel guys. So what we have here is a Redmi A2 Plus color black with a 3GB RAM and a 64GB ROM. This is an entry-level phone for Xiaomi that we only got for 3,500 pesos. And if we look at the quick specs, it has a MediaTek Helio G36 processor, an 8-megapixel camera, a fingerprint sensor, and a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, which is really good for an entry-level phone. And now let's open the box. You can see here the Redmi by Xiaomi. And if you'll notice, we already removed this plastic from the screen of the phone since we had this set up while we were in the store earlier today. Inside the box, you can see that we have a power brick and a USB to micro USB cable. The power brick is 10 watts with 2 amperes output. Good enough for your phone. Not that fast charging like others with 60 watts and 55 watts, but it should do the job. And finally, we have here the warranty card, the safety information, and the quick start guide. Alright, so when we bought this earlier from the mall, we already asked someone to install a tempered glass just to protect the screen. Although this is just 3,500, it's still safe to put some. We're looking for the casing, but they said that this is new, so there's nothing around yet. So we'll just try our luck in Lazada. So if you notice, we have the camera in front. This is I think a 5-megapixel front camera. This is the volume adjustment and then the on button. At the bottom, we have the 3.5mm jack and then the micro USB port. On this side is the SIM tray. The SIM ejector pin can be found inside the box at the bottom. So here it is. It comes with an IPS LCD screen at 6.52 inches. It has already octa-core running for your applications, an expandable memory. You also have 2 nano slim slots, so in case you wanna have Glow and then you wanna have Smart, then you can do that since it's dual standby. 5-megapixel front camera and an 8-megapixel back camera, and a 5,000 mAh battery capacity.